First step to replacing the turn signal and parking light bulbs is to remove the splash guard inside the wheel well here. To do that, you need to remove the clips that hold it in place, like this one here. To do that, you just get a flathead screwdriver, wiggle it under there, and that will pop the clip out just like so. I just removed this one, that one, and one underneath here. So this is the light fixture here. And I gotta get my hand on it in some fashion. Quarter turn that way, then it comes out. Once you've removed the bulb assembly, you can reach down behind the brake lines here and grab the bulb. And this will make it much easier to deal with while it's out here. And then you put it back in, and then it goes a quarter turn like that to lock it in place. To replace the clips, you make sure that they are popped out like this. Take the base, push it into the hole. Once the cover is fully up in there, then you snap it in like that, and that holds it in place. For the left side, I unscrewed a screw that holds this bumper panel on. It screws in here. It gives you more room to work. The bulb fitting will come down just like that, which makes it really easy to change.